Now, when doing a swamp cooler repair, before you actually run it, this, you got this in 3 sections. So you got one here, and that one down there. Now, what that does, it keeps the blower nicely centered in place so it doesn't hit the edges. Now, if you try to run it the way it is, that's gonna be a problem. So before you actually do anything, you straighten them all out, secure and tight these ends, okay? And then what you can do, cut a strip of metal and put it over this, and then screw with a tapping screw, one here and one on the other end to complete this piece and keep it secure. Now, once it's secure, you can go ahead and start the swamp cooler. We're also having an issue once I actually adjusted this area here. I noticed that now the cord doesn't actually reach the connection back there. It's either that or the bell won't reach. So, well, there you have it.